Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Jasmy video update today. So finally Bitcoin has made the move. So if I do show you the Bitcoin chart here, you can see that Bitcoin is eventually moving sideways, and after June 21 of June until 23 now, after 1 month of this consolidation, we have seen a breakdown for Bitcoin. And my bad, I haven't been able to look at some few things. The weekly has this little bit of a divergence, and I'm going to show you the divergence. This is the divergence happening for Bitcoin. So you can see that you have the lower lows right there and the higher highs right over here for Bitcoin. So eventually that is very heavy on scales for Bitcoin right now, and Bitcoin is once again breaking down like this. So this is pretty much a fake out. You're not holding the retest anymore, and eventually, long story short, you're sitting at 29,192. The technical target is 24,000 out of that parallel channel, and that's where I want to see what Jasmy is eventually going to do. So I do have Jasmy right now opened up, and Jasmy as well is on the daily looking to flush out of this support that we've had so far. I've given you a move like this one. So you see this sideways trend, and I told you that before August 15 we're going to have a move, and eventually right now you're having a move, but it still doesn't mean it's all bad. Reason being is the following: you have 11 hours to close this candle, and who knows, this can end up being a week down and push up very quickly and try to even go to the upside. That's something that you can expect by the end of the day. The candle hasn't closed. Yes, you're moving down, but still the candle has not been closed just yet. A lot of people do have their stop losses right over here. It has been flushed out away, but still, due to Bitcoin, it can actually turn very negative as well, because right now the influence is coming from the top of the roof, and the top of the roof is actually Bitcoin itself. So if Bitcoin is leaking, we all know that these coins are probably going to be leaking down. And I mean, if you're not going to be coming inside and trap people and start to move to the upside, then I think it's time you do come down. You take this low and come down, take this low as well, this one right over here. There's a lot of liquidity sitting down there. There's a lot of liquidity sitting down here as well, and these are two places that can actually be tapped and take away all of this liquidity, grab some money, flush out people, and remember the long-term target that is still pending down here. Unless we don't get above like this at 11,000, you're sitting at 3,695. We still need to get above 11 or 12,000 to continue higher, which you've always failed to do. So the highest you went previously is up to 7,000, but still that wasn't good enough. Got rejected, have a double top right there, and it could even be the time to get this double top technical target and come down to 2,500 as well. Actually, that is met, and you could actually come down all the way here and even move lower to this technical target, and finally maybe make a bottom here and then push up. So let's see, and that's it for this update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.